Avaroa carambola, commonly known as starfruit, carambola, or gimblin in Jamaica, is a well-known seasonal fruit here in Jamaica. We Jamaicans often eat it raw by itself, or we combine it with other fruits to make a fruit salad or a delicious hydration drink, which Jamaicans absolutely welcome, especially at this time when temperatures are at an all-time high due to climate change. Starfruit is also grown in other tropical and subtropical countries as well, and like other fruits, it has nutritional benefits. But are you aware that this fruit and other parts of the tree from which it comes from have been shown to have some pharmacological properties and have been used in ethno-medicine for thousands of years to treat different health issues? If you didn't know and you'd like to learn more about some of these medicinal uses, as well as some of the precautions pertaining to its consumption, come join us right now as we explore the latter. Based on mostly in vitro or animal studies, starfruit extracts have been found to have a number of potential beneficial medicinal properties which support its uses in ethnomedicine. For example, the peel has been shown to have anti-obesity activity. The fruit has been shown to have anti-hyperglycemic activity, properties that can protect the liver from damage, properties that can protect the heart, anti-tumor activity, properties that can lower the amount of cholesterol in the blood, and hypotensive activity. The leaves have been shown to have properties that can expel parasitic worms, antioxidant activity, hypoglycemic activity, anti-inflammatory, and anti-ulcer activity. And the bark has been shown to have antimicrobial and antifungal activity. But as I had mentioned before, because most of these findings are based on in vitro or animal studies, there needs to be further research on humans. The fruits, flowers, seeds, leaves, and roots of the starfruit tree have been used in ethnomedicine for years to treat different maladies. Different parts of the tree are used in Ayurveda, which is an Indian traditional system of medicine, also in Chinese, Malaysian, Brazilian, Vietnamese, and other traditional systems of medicine. According to some authors, starfruit is seen as a food supplement and is used to treat diabetic neuropathy, joint stiffness and pain, lithangiuria, which is a disease of the urinary system, sore throat, inflammatory skin disorders, and fungal skin infections. It is said that the seeds can be crushed and boiled, and that this is useful for promoting menstrual flow, and that the powdered seeds are useful for treating asthma, colic, and jaundice. That the flowers can be boiled and used to treat fever and malaria. That the flowers can also be used to treat coughs. That the roots have been used as a diuretic and an appetite stimulant, as an anti-diarrheal agent, to treat fever, canker sores, chronic headache, nasal bleeding, and spermatoria, which is abnormally frequent or excessive emission of semen without orgasm. Also, it is said that crushed roots can be mixed together with sugar and acts as a poison antidote. The liquid leaf extract is said to be useful for reducing blood sugar levels and inflammation. The leaves have been used to treat rheumatism, boils, colds, gastroenteritis, low urine output, postpartum edema, skin diseases that have pus, traumatic injury, vomiting, headaches, diabetes, coughing, and hangovers. They are also said to be useful for treating fractured bones, different kinds of poisoning, intermittent fevers, and for getting rid of intestinal worms. It is said that the fruit juice, and leaf tea are used to prevent and treat diabetes and high blood pressure. They are also said to be useful for urinary system disease. The juice is said to improve vision and is useful as eye drops. The fruit is useful as a laxative. It's also useful for coughs, food poisoning caused by meat sources, sore throat, and malarial splenomegaly, which is a massive enlargement of the spleen. It is also said that the fruit can cut down on thirst and that it can remove intestinal worms. The ripe fruit is said to be useful for curing bleeding piles, specifically inner piles, and is useful for treating eczema, fever, and diarrhea. In Ayurveda, it is said that the ripe fruit is mainly seen as a digestive and tonic. According to some authors, the crushed shoots or leaves are used to treat headache and are applied topically on the skin to treat chicken pox and ringworm. The leaf and fruit decoction is used to treat vomiting, fevers, canker sores, and angina, which is chest pain or discomfort that happens when your heart isn't receiving enough oxygen-rich blood. The leaf decoction is said to be useful for stomatitis, which is an inflamed and sore mouth. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is said that people regard the roots, fruits, and leaves of the starfruit tree as an effective herbal medicine in invigorating kidney function and reinforcing yang. And in Chinese philosophy, yang is one of the two opposing principles whose interaction is believed to influence everything in the universe. So yang is supposed to be positive, bright, and masculine. Research has shown that excessive consumption of starfruit results in toxic effects, and studies have also found that starfruit could cause fatality in dialysis and uremic patients. It is said that people with kidney problems should avoid starfruit and its juice or consult with a doctor before trying it, and that people who are on prescribed drugs should speak to their healthcare provider before consuming starfruit. That's it for now, guys. For your own benefit and safety, please do your own research and see you in the next video.